song Pangarap Ko Ang Ibigin Ka. Napanood ko tong movie na to, nagustuhan ko, kinilig ako. Ito yung unang-unang pumasok sa isip ko nung gagawin namin yung film na to. Sana magustuhan ni Ms. Regine Velasquez.
Sana tonight, magawa niya yung gusto niyang gawin, which is going soul. Isa puso niya lang yung kanta, and then she can change it naman kung gusto niya.
Hi, Jayan. Nung nagkita tayo, sabi ko sana magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin with the song. I think you're able to do that naman. Sa akin, talagang naging soul yung Pangarap Kong Ibigin Ka. This is a pop song. Mahirap yun gawin, lalo na kung na-influensyahan ko na nadinig mo na yung original. So I thought maganda mo naman siya ginawa. Medyo meron lang tayong mga flats, merong sharp ng konti. Pero yung interpretation, I thought it was good. So,
Jayan, sinulat ko yung kantang yan eh. You know what?
sinulat niya para sa akin.
Oo, yun nga, totoo yun. But you know what, Jayan? The reason why I liked it is because I didn't hear Regine. I heard Jayan in that song. Really. Yes, tama si Regine. It was shaky at first, flats and sharps here and there, but you know what? I didn't really care. I enjoyed it. It was different, soulful, just truly Jayan. Very good.
One word for you, Jayan. Winner.
Ako hindi ko naramdaman, Jayan.
Ano ba?
Hindi ko
Ano
alam
naman?
bakit sila may pakiramdam, ako wala.
Ano na naman ang naramdaman
Hindi ko naramdaman
mo?
yung song. Kumanta ka lang dyan. Wala lang sa akin. Parang
Hindi mo lang
hindi
gusto
ka
yung
kasali.
makeup niya.
Ano?
Hindi mo lang gusto yung makeup niya.
Hindi, isa na rin yun. Oo, ganun.
Walang naramdaman si Wingard doon.
Wala.
All right, thank you, judges. At least my seal of approval from Ms. Regine Velasquez. Good start. You can start voting now until 12 noon tomorrow. At 200 votes per sim number ang allowed. Right now, let's go to Rian. What's up?